Hello, I'm Brian Van Voorhees, a CTE teacher at Centennial Middle School in Boulder Valley. Our career and technical education program is where students connect classroom learning with real-world skills. We offer pathways in skilled trades, engineering and technology, information technology, media arts, and family and consumer science. That means students can be building a future in our woodshop, coding, and competing in robotics, exploring digital photography, or planning healthy meals in food sciences all before high school. Through these experiences, students practice critical thinking, teamwork, creativity, and communication, skills that Colorado employers value in every career field. We also connect them to a larger community through guest speakers, industry mentors, service projects, and participation in career and technical student organization. As required by the state of Colorado, every CTE program maintains an active CTSO chapter. At Centennial, our local CTSO develops leadership through these service projects, showcases, fundraisings, and participation in statewide events such as the TSA Fall and state conferences. Skills USA, Skills and Leadership Conferences, FBLA Leadership Conferences, and FCCLA rallies. What makes Centennial unique is that our projects are student-driven, public-facing, and equity-centered. Students get to design solutions that matter, showcase their work at community events, and see clear pathways into high school programs and careers. If you would like to learn more, visit our website, centennialcte.tech, or connect with me directly, brian.vanvoorhees@bvsd.org. Together, we can ensure that every student has access to hands-on learning and career-connected opportunities that make a difference. Thank you.